In Creo Parametric, there is a config.pro option that helps you manage the display of set datums in your graphics area. Normally, I don't cover individual config.pro options in a video, but this is a special situation. Let's take a look at a scenario. Let's say that I open up an assembly and it comes up like this. My first thought would be someone needs to do a better job of saving their display settings before saving the model. Just to remind you, if you go to the View drop-down menu, from the Status drop-down, there is a Save Status command, and that way the next time that you open up a model, it will retrieve with whatever your layer settings were at the time that you hit the Save button. But anyhow, they didn't do that, so I would think, let me try turning off the display of my datum planes. I will go to the In Graphics toolbar. Here we have our datum display commands. I'll turn off the datum display, but I still see a number of datums visible. So then I think, let me try turning off the display of my annotations. This icon in the In Graphics toolbar is for annotation and table display. If I click on this icon, well, one of my 3D notes ended up turning off, but I still see these different datums visible. And if you take a look at the datums, they look different than regular datum planes. They have different tags. This is the old style set datum tag from the 1994 standard for GD&T. And they're not controlled in the same way as regular datum planes. And so you might think, let me try using layers. You could go to your layer tree, you could try to create a brand new layer, but I'll tell you in advance, that's not going to work. For some reason, you can try searching for these different datums and they're not going to come up. So the way that you manage these now is with a config.pro option. Let's go to that. I'll go to File, Options, and then Options. And then let's change to Configuration Editor. I'm going to click on the Find button. And then I will type in a keyword. And I'm going to type in set datum because I happen to know that will filter down to what I want. Let me hit the Enter key. We have a whole bunch of different, well, we have 4 different options that come up. Let me make this dialog box a little bit wider. Let me make the name column a little bit wider. And so the option that you want is the third one here. Hide set datum plane with plane. And the default value for that is no. I wish it was yes, but I'm going to change that to yes right now. And let me click Add Change. I can close the Find Option dialog box. I'm going to click OK from the Creo Parametric Options dialog box. For now, I'm not going to update my config.pro file. And so let's toggle our datum plane display. I'll hit Plane Display and everything is visible. Whole lot of screen clutter. This time though, when I go to turn the plane display off, you'll notice that those different set datums are no longer visible because we have that config.pro option that is making the visibility of those set datums coordinated with the visibility control for all other datum planes in the model. So that's a config.pro option that you want to be aware of, and I highly recommend that you have it set at your different companies.